Hello, my nerdy friends. Welcome to the Nerd Junction, the channel where knowledge meets fun. From today onwards, we are starting to embark on a journey to complete the course of Sociology Optional. Basic guidelines before we even start this course are given below. But before we started, I want to state why I started this course. I have seen that sociology as an optional subject is very easy and a lot of content is available on the internet. But what we struggle to do is to consolidate it all. Even after we have consolidated everything, what we moreover struggle is to attempt all the PYQs in a requisite word limit. Another thing that we struggle with is value added material. The problem in today's world is there is too much material on the internet, and that is why you never know what to read and what not to. So, that is my job, to make the course in such a manner that everything is available to you in the form of mind maps in a very easy and lucid manner. Anyway, let me start with the basic guidelines. 1. This is not a comprehensive course. This will not teach you all the concepts that you need to be taught. It is more of a mentorship or a guidance course. If you have already read sociology from some place, or even if you're starting to read, you want to self-study sociology, you will know what topics to cover. You will know what topics not to cover specifically, and you will also have all the relevant current affairs and value added material in the form of mind maps in one place, which I believe is very important when it comes to optional papers. There is a very big repetition of questions in the sociology optional, and that is why all the PYQs will be covered in detail and model answers for the same will be provided in PDF format on the Telegram channel, the link of which is available in the description. This course is absolutely free of cost. Why? Because education should be accessible to everyone. It concerns me a lot when I go to a coaching center and they charge me hefty fees for a course which is not even delivering quality content. So I thought that I'll take this mission not just for myself, but for people like me who struggle to collect content. And because I have pursued sociology for such a long while, I have had time to collect such content. And I wish I could help somebody out there. The video timeline, as in when the next class will be provided, will be given to you way in advance, so you don't have to worry about that. One request of mine is that the Xmind file format of the class, of the mind maps that I'm going to give you, will not be provided, and you will not be asking me for that. I will give you a PDF of the same, but I will not give you a Xmind file format. If you want to format it, you can copy and paste and put it in the Xmind file format. The likely schedule to cover the entire optional paper is going to be around 3 to 4 months. There are going to be weekly targets that you need to cover, and the classes are going to be such that there will be one class at the start of the week and one class midweek. Week 1 is to be started from 20th June till 27th June. The UPSC syllabus PDF, you don't have to struggle to go to the website and download it. I have obviously copy pasted the syllabus from the original UPSC syllabus on the original website. So you can just go to my Telegram channel and download the UPSC syllabus. After you have done that, you need to read through the syllabus very thoroughly. I will ensure you this. I can be very sure about the fact that you will be able to attempt all the PYQs with relative confidence when you are done with this course. The only condition is that you follow these guidelines very carefully, and in 3 to 4 months, you don't have to do this the entire day, because I understand we have different subjects to read, and that is this sociology or the optional paper cannot be our only focus. So I will plan the classes in such a way that you have the time to read other subjects as well. Class 1 is about paper 1 unit 1, which is sociology, the discipline. This has been uploaded today, that is the 19th June of 2023. Class 2 will be uploaded on 23rd June of 2023. While you have the time between the class and class 2, what you're supposed to do is that you need to cover all the things that you have been instructed to cover in this class, in the class of 19 June 2023. So ideally, the time that you get to cover any topic is between the current class and the class that is going to happen right after. And the same process is going to follow. It is pretty simple.